Have you ever felt confident knowing your watch will never stop when you need it most? That's the power of solar military watches. In 2026, these watches are not just strong and tough, they are smart and reliable too. They use sunlight to stay charged so you don't have to worry about changing batteries. Whether you are in the military, a first responder, an outdoor adventurer, or someone who needs a strong and dependable watch, solar military watches are built to handle hard conditions. Today, we're looking at the best solar military watches that are tough, reliable, and always ready. Let's begin. Number 10, Casio G-Shock GW9400 Rangeman, the Solar Survival Legend. Starting our tactical mission at number 10 is the Casio G-Shock GW9400 Rangeman, proving that survival watches reach their ultimate form with solar power and sensor technology. This rugged companion demonstrates that Casio engineered the definitive outdoor survival tool for extreme conditions. What makes the Rangeman absolutely essential is the triple sensor technology, providing altimeter, barometer, compass, and thermometer for true wilderness navigation and weather prediction. The tough solar charging system powers all these sensors indefinitely from any light source, eliminating battery anxiety in remote locations. The mud-resistant construction with protected buttons ensures operation even when covered in dirt, sand, or debris that would kill ordinary watches. The shock resistance and 200-meter water resistance mean this watch survives falls, impacts, and complete submersion without hesitation or damage. Number 9, Seiko Solar Military SNE095 Classic Field Watch Evolved. Coming in at number 9 is the Seiko Solar Military SNE095, proving that traditional field watch aesthetics and solar reliability create timeless tactical appeal. This utilitarian design demonstrates that Seiko understands military simplicity doesn't mean compromising modern efficiency. What makes the SNE095 genuinely practical is the bold Arabic numerals with high contrast dial, ensuring instant readability in combat stress or low-light tactical situations. The solar movement charges fully in hours and runs for 10 months in darkness, providing genuine set-and-forget reliability during extended operations. The comfortable 37mm sizing fits perfectly under uniform sleeves and tactical gear without bulk or snagging on equipment straps. The day-date complication provides essential mission planning information at a glance without complicated subdials or confusing displays. Number 8. Citizen EcoDrive Military BM8180, American Heritage, Japanese Technology. The Citizen EcoDrive Military BM8180 secures the 8th spot, proving that military-inspired design and EcoDrive technology create perfect tactical partnerships. This field-ready timepiece demonstrates that Citizen delivers practical reliability without excessive complications or fragility. What makes the BM8180 absolutely mission-ready is the luminous hands and markers providing excellent nighttime visibility during covert operations or early morning maneuvers. The EcoDrive solar movement eliminates battery replacement needs forever critical when deployed in remote forward operating bases without watchmaker access. The nylon canvas strap withstands sweat, water, and abuse while remaining comfortable during 24-hour wear in extreme conditions. The 100-meter water resistance provides adequate protection from rain, river crossings, and unexpected aquatic obstacles during tactical movements. Number 7. Casio ProTrek PRG 600 Tactical Navigation Powerhouse. Taking the 7th position is the Casio ProTrek PRG 600, proving that military navigation watches benefit enormously from solar power and advanced sensors. This sophisticated tool demonstrates that combining outdoor sensors with tactical styling creates the ultimate field intelligence device. What makes the PRG 600 absolutely invaluable is the triple sensor technology measuring altitude, barometric pressure, and direction, providing critical environmental data for mission planning. The tough solar system powers these energy-hungry sensors indefinitely without battery anxiety during extended field operations or wilderness survival scenarios. The 100-meter water resistance ensures reliability during amphibious operations, tropical downpours, or unexpected water obstacles that destroy electronics. The titanium band provides incredible strength-to-weight ratio with corrosion resistance essential for coastal or maritime military operations. Number 6. G-Shock GW M56 Chin Military Black Stealth Tactical Perfection. The G-Shock GW M5610 Military Black earns the 6th spot, proving that iconic G-Shock toughness becomes even more tactical in murdered-out military finish. This stealth operator demonstrates that Casio understands military personnel need low-profile reliability without reflective surfaces announcing positions. What makes the GW M5610 genuinely tactical is the completely black design eliminating all reflective elements that could compromise stealth during night operations or concealment. The tough solar charging ensures this watch operates indefinitely without logistical supply chains or battery replacement infrastructure in combat zones. The atomic radio synchronization maintains perfect accuracy across global deployments without manual adjustment or time zone confusion during rapid mobilization. The compact square design fits comfortably under tactical gloves and flight suits without bulk interfering with equipment operation or weapon handling. Number 5. Citizen Promaster Tough BN0217 Military Dive Ops Ready. Coming in at number 5 is the Citizen Promaster Tough BN0207, proving that military diving operations demand solar-powered reliability and professional certifications. This combat diver demonstrates that Citizen engineers tactical timepieces for special operations units conducting maritime missions. What makes the BN0207 absolutely mission-critical is the ISO 6425 Dive Watch certification meeting military diving standards for combat swimmer and SEAL team operations. The EcoDrive solar system eliminates battery anxiety during multi-day maritime operations where equipment failure could compromise mission success or lives. The 200-meter water resistance provides genuine combat diving capability for ship hull inspections, underwater demolition, and maritime infiltration missions. The anti-magnetic construction protects the movement from electromagnetic interference near radar systems, communications equipment, and weapons platforms. The polyurethane strap with extension fits over dry suits and wetsuits, providing tactical versatility across different maritime operational environments. Number 4. Seiko Prospex Solar Military Chrono SSC813 Air Support Tactical Timer. The Seiko Prospex Solar Military Chrono SSC813 takes the 4th position, proving that aviation chronographs and solar power create superior pilot watches for military aviation. This cockpit instrument demonstrates that Seiko delivers flight-ready functionality with maintenance-free reliability. What makes the SSC813 absolutely flight-worthy is the precise chronograph timing critical for fuel calculations, target timing, and mission coordination during aerial operations. The solar movement charges from cockpit lighting and sunlight through canopy, ensuring continuous operation during extended flight operations or carrier deployments. The 100-meter water resistance protects against cockpit pressurization changes, emergency water landings, and tropical humidity that destroys conventional watches silently. The date window provides essential mission planning information for multi-day bombing campaigns or reconnaissance operations across international date lines. The stainless steel construction withstands G-forces, vibrations, and temperature extremes inside military aircraft, from fighters to transport helicopters. Number 3. G-Shock Mudmaster GWG 2000 Ultimate Field Durability. The G-Shock Mudmaster GWG 2000 secures the 3rd spot, proving that extreme military environments demand extreme protection beyond standard shock resistance. This armored warrior demonstrates that Casio engineered the ultimate protection against the elements that destroy tactical equipment. What makes the Mudmaster absolutely unstoppable is the carbon core guard structure, providing lightweight protection against impacts that would shatter conventional watch cases. The mud-resistant construction with gasket-protected buttons ensures operation when covered in desert sand, jungle mud, or Arctic slush during ground combat operations. The quad sensor technology measures compass direction, altitude, barometric pressure, and temperature, providing complete environmental awareness for tactical decision-making. The tough solar system powers these advanced sensors indefinitely throughout deployments lasting months in austere forward operating bases without electrical infrastructure. The vibration-resistant structure survives continuous exposure to heavy weapons firing, armored vehicle operations, and helicopter insertions without mechanical failure. Number 2. Citizen EcoDrive Nighthawk Military Edition Special Operations Navigator. Taking the runner-up position is the Citizen EcoDrive Nighthawk Military Edition, proving that Special Operations Forces need sophisticated navigation without maintenance vulnerabilities. This tactical instrument demonstrates that Citizen delivers aviation functionality with military-grade reliability. What makes the Nighthawk Military absolutely essential is the dual-time display showing home base and operational time zones simultaneously during global deployments and covert missions. The slide rule bezel provides critical calculations for fuel consumption, distance measurement, and unit conversions during mission planning without electronic devices. The EcoDrive solar technology eliminates battery replacement logistics during classified operations in denied areas without resupply capabilities or civilian infrastructure. The full luminous dial ensures perfect readability during night vision operations, blackout conditions, or covert insertions under darkness when artificial light compromises stealth. The anti-reflective crystal prevents glare during aerial reconnaissance, sniper operations, or forward observation missions where reflections reveal positions to enemy forces. Number 1. Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GG-B100, the Solar Tactical Champion. Finally, here it is, the number 1 solar military watch for 2026, delivering the most compelling combination of toughness, functionality, and unstoppable reliability, the Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GG-B100. This isn't just another tactical watch, it's the definitive proof that military timepieces reach perfection when combining legendary G-Shock durability with solar charging, proving that the best combat watches prioritize mission success through absolute reliability, surviving environmental extremes that would destroy entire equipment loadouts, commanding respect from Special Forces operators and regular infantry alike, and delivering functionality that transforms a watch into a genuine tactical advantage rather than just timekeeping jewelry. The Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GG-B100 features revolutionary carbon core guard construction providing maximum protection with minimum weight critical for soldiers carrying heavy combat loads. What makes this watch the ultimate tactical choice is the comprehensive mud resistance protecting all buttons and crown from fine particles that infiltrate and destroy conventional watches during desert operations.